Okay, so today I'm gonna do the stacks, which is people of nature. Let's go. Animals. Dangerous. Hyenas. Hi, the guy you see next to me will change your mind about animals. This is Abbas. Hi, my name is Abbas. I am a hyenas man. Abbas lives in a remote village in Ethiopia, where many dangerous wild hyenas live. But instead of getting scared, Abbas became their friend. Every day, Abbas goes to the market to find food. I buy them food and takes it to his home. And during the night, hyenas come out and magically show up at his doorstep, not to attack him, but to play and eat with him. They are my friends. He even know them on a first name basis, because this is family tradition for 4 generations. What you're looking at is an amazing example of animals are not our enemies. He is scratching my back because even hyenas and wild, dangerous animals can become humans' best friend. That's 1 minute, and see you tomorrow. The guy you see next to me doesn't need doesn't need to use Google. Here's why. Hey, I am Cap. I can do everything only using my body. With his body, Cap can do wonders. He can start a fire with his hand and put out a fire with his feet. He can climb a coconut tree with his legs, house a coconut, house a coconut with his mouth, and open it with his muscle, and milk it with his hands. 100% organic. And his tattoos, I did it by myself. This 52-year-old is super fit and young because he only eats vegan food, but sometimes you gotta eat fish. He grew up in a small country of Samoa, and in Samoa we learn how to survive from our ancestors. At a time where everything we know we get from internet, it is refreshing to see people who can survive without it. That's 1 minute, and see you tomorrow. Meet Batman. Hi, my name is Richard. My best friend is a bat. What are you looking at is a real life Batman. Except this one doesn't fly around, fight bad guys, or drive in a Batmobile. Instead, this one lives with a bat. Richard lives Richard lived in the Seychelles Island. And 20 years ago, unfortunately, he got in a work accident. And now I cannot leave this chair. And as he was sitting there, he saw an abandoned baby bat by his tree. So he took it and gave it a shelter and food for 23 years now. I saved his life. And ever since then, every single day, they sit facing each other by the porch eating mangoes and keeping each other company. The real Batman, turns out, doesn't even leave his chair. He's sitting in his home, hanging out with his bat. It's 1 minute, and see you tomorrow. Done.